Hi everyone, it's Organic Worm Castings here by Soto, and I'm just checking in on my worm band. Let's see what they look like. I haven't seen them for a while. And what I'll do with all this bedding is put their food on there and give a look to see how they're doing. Nice moisture still, but they still have to finish all this. But the castings come along really beautifully. So I won't be taking these guys out just yet. I want to take care of all this I want them to take care of all this for me. And what I do is I just help them along by tearing up the pieces. They've already got a lot of worm juice and they're very easy to tear apart. And let's go ahead and look on this side. There they are, busy at work. So this is just one of the worm bands I'm catching up on. But everything looks great, so I will go ahead and feed them. Let me go ahead and get that set up. I'll be right back. So I have some yummy food for them. Avocados with some banana peels, a little bit of apple. I'm going to go ahead and pour it right in this area where I've gone ahead and cut up the paper, the bedding. And I'm just going to pour it right on there. I'll go ahead and cover it up. And then all the worms that are on this side will work itself over here. And we'll just let them enjoy themselves. There they are. Now I'm going to go ahead and put this worm bed to the side and check on another one. Hope you join me then. But for this video, I'll just call it a see you until the next time. Have a great one. Be safe, stay well, God bless. Organic Worm Castings by Soto signing off for now.